okay, Honorine, I'm back with another video, guys. On today's video, it's all about the Halloween look. Okay, so your girl is into this Halloween makeup. So for all those who are interested in seeing how I achieve the look, okay, please just keep watching. So going in with the makeup look, what I'll be needing is I'll go in first with my primer. I'll go in and prime my face. And the primer I'm using is from Hoodoo Beauty. I'll just go in now with my foundation, and the foundation I'm using is Yuri foundation. So guys, when I'm done with that, I'll just go in now with my concealer. I'm using Early Girl concealer. Go in and conceal underneath my eyes. Done with all that, I'll just go in now with my contour. So guys, when I'm done with all that, I'll just go in now with my eye look. Like I'll be going in with a simple eye look. Like I'll just be using the red and the dark. I'm done with that, I'll just go in now with the black. Put it on my eyelid. So I'll just go in and brush up my eyelashes. Like I won't be putting any eyelashes. I'll just go in and brush up my natural eyelashes. So guys, when I'm done with that, I'll just go in now with this pencil and I try to create some two little hearts from the both side. So guys, this is how it will be looking like. So this is what I created. I'm done with all that. I'll just go in now with my setting powder and set my face up. So just go in and set all my face up. And now I'll be going in now with my lipstick. So for my lipstick, I'll be using the black lipstick. So this is the lipstick your girl is using, like the lipstick I will be using. So guys, when I'm done with the lipstick, I'll just go in there and highlight my face. So my hair is getting on my way. So I'll just highlight the bridge of my nose. And I think guys, that was all about the makeup. Like I think that will be all about the look for today. So guys, I'll just go in there and I comb my hair. A little bit. So guys, when I'm done with combing my hair, I think that is all about the look for today. So guys, I'm done with my makeup for today. So I hope you guys love the video. I hope you guys love the Halloween look. I mean, the look is so gorgeous. I hope you all love it. So just check it out. I hope you love it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye, and I love you all so very much.